Hi, Nick from LRM Products. We're the manufacturers of the VersEseal waterproofing system. Going to demonstrate today for you the effectiveness of our VersEseal all-in-one water-based rust converter and primer. This product is perfect for dealing with rust in gutters, on roofs, in tanks, welds in galvanised steel. In fact, it's going to do any rusted surface. Unlike nasty acid-based converters, there's no rinsing off after you've used the product. You just brush it on and watch it work its magic. So let's have a look at how to use it. First step in the process is to remove that flaky rust. So easiest way to do that is with a drill or a wire brush. Takes a bit of work, but you need to get rid of all that loose material. So now you've removed the rust, we just need to get rid of any loose, flaky powder. So we're going to get some of our product and we're going to decant it into a separate container to use, because we don't want to return that back to the main bulk once we've finished. So we want to put a nice generous coat on here, but not excessive. Just want to paint that on, work it into the surface so that we can make sure that everything's covered, all that porosity is dealt with, and we've got it really well sealed up. So if it's rusted through like we've got here, we want to make sure we're coating the top side and the underside as well. Whilst you're putting your thick coats on, you still want to make sure there's no pooling material, because that can affect drying. The VersEseal rust converter and primer goes on at about 100 grams a square metre, so our 1 litre pack is going to give you about 10 square metres. Allow the coating to dry and react with the rust for a few hours. You'll see the creamy white rust converter will convert the brown iron oxide rust into a blue-black polymeric protection layer. But if you have a very porous substrate, a second application may be required. Once the rust converter and primer is dry and reacted, the surface is ready for any subsequent coatings you need to apply. This test piece has a hole in it, so in this instance we'll use some VersEseal Rapid Build and geotextile to patch the hole and re-waterproof this area. This is exactly what you'd do in a rusty gutter that you want to extend the life of. If you want more information on our gutter repair systems, we have a video on that too. So here you can see exactly how effective and easy to use the VersEseal all-in-one rust converter and primer is. If you want any more information on this, hop on our website or please give us a call.